Alex, are you okay? You look very pale.
Nancy, come here. Look at this email. I just got it.
Okay, let me see. Oh, Alex, is this a job interview?
Yes! From a company called Best Future Corporation.
I know that company. They make software. It is a really good company.
I cannot believe it. I sent so many job applications, and I never got one reply. Not even one.
Well, today is your lucky day.
Nancy, look at my hands. They are shaking.
That is okay. This is good news, Alex. Take a slow, deep breath.
The interview is tomorrow morning. Tomorrow! That is so soon.
Then we start preparing tonight. I will ask you practice questions.
Really? You will help me?
Of course! I want to see you succeed. Okay, first question. Tell me about yourself.
Oh no, I am nervous already.
Take a breath. You are smart. You are ready. This is the first step to your future.
Good morning. I have not seen you here before. Is today your first day?
Yes, it is. I joined this morning. My name is Alex.
Welcome, Alex. I am Ria. It is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ria.
Which department are you joining?
The R&D department, Research and Development.
Really? That is a very important department here.
Oh, I did not know that. Who is your manager?
Mr. David. What about you?
Mr. David is my manager too.
That means we are teammates. I am so happy to hear that.
Me too. I was quite worried this morning, but already I feel better.
Don't worry. Everyone here is very friendly. Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please. I would love that.
Follow me. I will show you the cafeteria. Come on.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. You must be Alex. Welcome to Best Future Corporation. Thank you very much, sir. I am very happy to be here. How are you feeling? First days can be exciting and a little scary, too. Both, sir. Mostly excited. That is a great answer. I remember you from the interview. Your answers were very impressive. Thank you, sir. That means a lot to me. We have a big project starting very soon. I think your ideas will help the team a great deal. I will give my absolute best, sir. Hard work and good teamwork. That is all we need here. Ria will help you settle in and understand the project. That is wonderful. Thank you, sir. My door is always open, Alex. Do not be afraid to ask for help. I really appreciate that, sir. I will not let you down.
Come on. Why is this printer not working? I pressed the button 4 times.
Alex, what is the matter?
Ria, I need to print these documents for Mr. David, but the printer is not doing anything.
Ah, I see the problem. Can you open this small cover on the side?
This one? Like this?
Yes, exactly. Now, do you see that piece of paper stuck inside?
Oh, yes, I can see it.
That is called a paper jam. It happens very often in offices.
I have heard that phrase before. How do I fix it?
Very carefully pull the paper out. Go slowly. Do not tear it.
Okay. I got it. Now what?
Close the cover. Now press print again.
It is working. Oh, thank you so much, Ria.
No problem at all. This happened to me on my first day too.
Really? Well, that makes me feel much better.
Every new person in this office has a printer story. Now you have yours.
Alex, how was your very first day? Tell me everything.
Honestly, Anna, it was exciting and tiring.
And a little bit scary.
That is completely normal. You did very well today.
I made a mistake with the printer. I met so many new people.
I learned so many new things.
And look, you are still smiling. That is the most important thing.
I feel tired, but a good kind of tired. Like I worked hard and it meant something.
I love hearing that. Can I ask you something, Alex?
Of course.
What made you choose this company? What is your dream?
My dream is to become a great software developer. I want to build things that truly help people.
That is a beautiful dream. And what about you? Why are you here? Why Best Future Corporation?
Yes. What is your dream, Anna?
I want to grow into a senior HR manager one day. I love helping people find the right career. It makes me very happy.
You are already doing that. You made me feel so welcome today.
And that is exactly why I love my job. Alex, welcome to the team. Officially.
Thank you. Today was hard, but I feel very ready for tomorrow.
And that is the end of Alex's big first day. What a journey!
He got the interview email, impressed his manager, made a new colleague, fixed the printer, and finished the day with a smile.
All of that in just one day. We are very proud of you, Alex.
Before you go, we have a question for you in the comments. Viewer question. What was your favorite scene today and why? Tell us below.
If today's episode helped you English, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
Subscribe to English with Mr. Bond and press the bell icon so you never miss a new episode.
New episodes every week. Real conversations, real English for real life.
Remember, every expert was once a complete beginner. You are on the right path.
Keep practicing, keep believing. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.
Bye.